Iceland, day 2. Today we start with a waterfall. Not sure is it mighty or not, but it's Godafoss. Let's see how it goes. Should be amazing. Already see I see the flow. Let me turn around the camera. Okay, a bit of Icelandic village. Take a look at this view. Wow, right? So cool. And I want to climb that. It's not planned, so just stop at a random village. Nice, right? So, the second day. Let's summarize. What a day! Saw a lot of stuff. First went to the Gudafoss, amazing place, like it. But then went to the church, the oldest church in Iceland, and actually I missed it and went to a small town, Hofoss or Hofoss, I don't know how to pronounce it, but then had a nice lunch around 2 o'clock I think. Then went and found that church. It's quite impressive, I like it. I mean, not impressive, very tiny, small church in the middle of the valley. It was cool. Those fuckers are very aggressive actually. They're flying. Very aggressive fuckers. Very aggressive, but we are in their territory, so it's fine. So good morning. Today, let's see what we're gonna do today. Today we're gonna go to Raudisandur. It's like 300 kilometers I think from here. And then to Dunjadi waterfall if I have time and energy, because I realize that I cannot visit all the places that are marked on a map, and need to do selection, because otherwise 500 kilometers per day in Iceland, it's close to impossible. Maybe 400 is doable, but then you have very long day of riding and walking and everything, so we'll see. So today I try to visit these two places, Raudisandur and Dunjadi waterfall. So let's go. And also, actually, the idea for today also, since I didn't film anything in the mountains yesterday in the Westfjords, so today's idea just to start filming some nice areas to show you the roads, and to, you know, it's just breathtaking views, and you know, suddenly you go on there, just go through the basically through the sea. It's like terrific, never seen anything like that. So so try to film more about the roads, myself, shots of myself from another camera, and see how it goes. So. I arrived to Raudi Sandur, a beach, famous, but I think it's better now. You don't see much of the different sand colors. It's a black, it's white, it's reddish, and but from when I go back, I will stop at the viewpoint and take pictures and take video. Anyhow, just wanted to say that, you know, thank God I put the new tires, put these 70/30 tires. Otherwise, it's impossible to get here. And yeah, my off-road skills, suck, completely suck. I need to take some lessons, but I didn't crash, and it's already something to work with, so all good. Take a break and go back to the viewing point, and then go back to the restaurant. I'm hungry like a wolf. I need to eat something. Cheers.